So before I get started, I just wanted to say really quickly, really appreciate all the love and support that you guys gave me on my last video. If you are new and subscribed because of that video, I also wanted to say thank you. Today I'm gonna do a school makeup routine. This is what I do most days, or at least on the days I want to wear makeup. So let's get started. With this, I'm just gonna go into any spots where I might have blemishes and all my red spots or like coloration issues, just things I want to conceal because I'm not going to be using foundation except under eyes because I want to brighten those, so I'm going to use a lighter concealer for that. For brows, I'm going to be going in with the pomade to kind of shape them out, give them the shape that I want. And my left one is also more sparse, so yeah. So with this lighter concealer, all I'm gonna do is basically go under my eyes and in the center of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush off that powder and just like blend it into the rest of my skin. And I am oily, so my nose gets really oily, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that a little bit. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of powder on the brush and put it on my forehead just so everything blends nicely. For the bronzer, I'm just gonna focus it, you know, in the normal areas. And then with whatever's left, I'm just gonna put it everywhere because my setting powder is a little light for me right now. So I didn't set my eyelids and they look a little glossy, but I actually like that. But if you don't like it, you can obviously set it. Next, I'm gonna do lashes. So I like to brush out my lashes with a spoolie to get them untangled. And I'm gonna curl them. I do have to curl them a few times just because naturally they go straight down. Yeah, I like to curl them a lot or whatever because by the end of the day they go back down. I'm gonna go in with this mascara. What I like to do is do one simple coat and wait for that to dry. While that dries, put some on the bottom. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm gonna go into the tips and just wiggle them. This highlighter is pretty pricey, so I don't really recommend it. I got it in my Ipsy. That's the only way I could afford it, but any highlight will really do. And for lips, what I usually do is chapstick and just like call it a day. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use a nude. This is my favorite nude. So this is it. This is what I wear to school every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will talk to you guys later.